Here's an overhead view of the 74-142 Nixie clock that's on the 3220 point white solderless breadboard. And I wanted a good overhead view so that you can see how each IC relates to the map that I showed in the other video. And each IC and each component has a location code that's in parentheses, and those are pretty much listed on the schematic for each main IC and component. And the way it works is that there's three numbers. It's board number, comma, column number, 1, 2, 3, 4 from left to right, and then the location code number that's for each, going down each column from the top to the bottom. And there's little numbers that are printed on the board, 1 through 63. So like for instance, the location code for this one here would be 1220. Board 1, column 2, IC location 20. And you might think that board 1 is a little bit redundant because there's only one board, but on some of these other projects it always wants to spill over onto multiple boards. So it's always a good practice to call it board number 1, because you never know. You might have to spill it over into other boards. So you want board 1, board 2, etc. But board number and location codes. I hope this helps. I hope it makes some sense.